Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. For all trades, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW24, TSTWSYS08, and the TSTWSYS008 traders. Alright, today is the 14th, Saturday the 14th of April 2012, and the title of this video is a trading plan 1200. Trading plan 1200. What is a trading plan 1200, or what is TP 1200? Tango Papa 1200. How to achieve 1,200 pips per week? Which trading tools one can use to accomplish this plan? Which financial instruments are more suitable for the trading plan 1200? What is the best time, the best period, or the best season when one can use this trading plan? Alright, with all that behind us, we will talk about the Euro USD, the USD cards, the Euro Australian dollar, the USD yen, and the S&P 500. At the end of this video, one will be able to know and to understand the importance of a solid trading plan. Let's get started. Thank you. Okay traders, last weekend we were talking about the TSFS 222, the trading system that combines the 30-minute chart and the 2-minute chart. I hope you have enjoyed, that you have downloaded that trading system. If you have not downloaded that TSFS 222, you may go to our website and click on Documents, register for free, resigning, okay, and download the TSFS 222, the free trading system that combines, okay, the 30-minute chart, okay, and the 2-minute chart using the market stable data, okay, trading at a hot spot trading zone. We are looking at the pound dollar currency pair. On the 30-minute chart, you see the line that we draw last time. This week again, we can draw perfectly this line here. You see this one on the top. Some traders do not know how to draw the top one here. This point, and this point allow me to draw my okay, the top one here. And we are waiting for the price to come and retest the hot spot trading zone on the 30-minute chart. From that point, we'll switch to the 2-minute chart, waiting for the exponential moving at 17 to cross, okay, the simple moving average at 50. This is about the TSFS 222. You may download it at our website, okay, and click on Document to start everything, okay. Here again at the bottom here, this point, okay, and this point allow me to draw my trend line. Now the price sitting at this hot spot trading zone. When the market opens on Sunday, we will watch this hot spot trading zone, waiting for a clear cut signal at a hot spot trading zone. We do not want to guess it. We do not want to force the trading system on the price. We will flow with the price itself, okay, the number one indicator, okay. Today, the title of this video is a trading plan 1200. What is a trading plan 1200? The TP 1200, or the trading plan 1200, is a trading plan that aims to harvest 1,200 pips per week. Okay? It is a ladder trading plan that allows serious traders, okay, to build a winning habit, so to speak. Okay? We want to build a winning habit, so we want to have a plan. Our plan and our target is 1,200 pips per week. Okay, this is about the TP1200, a trading plan that allows serious traders to build a winning habit. How can we achieve 1,200 pips per week? Okay? How? Now in this video we will show you clearly how we can do that. It is not easy, okay? It's a bit greedy target, okay, but I will show you. Alright, step by step. Is a very difficult challenge, okay, and we will go through it together, okay, how we can achieve 1,200 pips per week, okay. For new trader, this is a serious challenge, but it's a step-by-step challenge. As I explained to you, it's a ladder, okay, a trading plan, okay, that will allow you to achieve it. So whether you are a new trader or experienced trader, I will tell you how you can start, okay, adopting this, okay, TP1200 trading plan, okay. All right, let's move on, okay. The 8th plan I have here. The ladder here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you follow my cursor, okay, we want to take 8 trades per day. Remember, we want to take 8 trades per day. Okay, for each trade, our goal, okay, is to harvest, okay, 30 pips, 30. For each trade, you want to take 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. Okay, and again 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. Okay, now during the London session we want to take 4 trades. We want to wait for the opening bell when London opens, and our goal is not that we do not have to take 4 trades during the London session. We do not have to take 8 trades per day. We do not have to take every trade. But our goal, if we see 8 high probability trades, we will be happy to take it. That's our goal. The goal is not the master. You are the master, the decision maker. You do not have to make 8 trades per day. So, but our plan is, or our goal, or our aim is to take 4 trades during the London session and another 4 trades during the New York session. But we do not want to take every trade, every type of trade. We do not want to take crazy trade. We do not want to take useless trade. We want to take a high probability trade, paying attention to the risk-reward ratio. And also, we will use the 5% money management rule, very, very important, and apply stop loss in every trade, okay? But once we recognize a high probability trade, our goal is to take 30 pips, okay? So 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 4 times during the London session, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips during the New York session. If you enter the first trade and you end up winning more than 60 pips, that's very good, okay? So you are ahead of your schedule, so to speak, okay? If you take the second trade and, for instance, you win, okay, 100 pips, that's better, okay? But the minimum you want to take is 30 pips. Sometimes you may not take 30 pips, which means you will take instead 20 pips, even 10 pips. You do not have to, okay, take 30 pips by all means, but your goal, once you reach 30 pips, you know that you must secure, okay, that 30 pips. Okay, so for instance, if I enter my first trade and I hit 30 pips, I must secure that 30 pips because my first trade, my goal is to harvest, okay, 30 pips. Okay, so this is about, okay, the TP1200 taking, okay, 8 trades per day. Okay, 8 trades per day, and for each trade I want to take 30 pips. Okay, the second point you have to understand about this TP1200, okay, we want to take, okay, 8 trades per day, and we want to trade, okay, each day 5 times in a week. Okay, very important. Okay, so our goal is to take 40 trades per week. Okay, so we are taking 8 trades per day, okay, and we want to take in total, okay, 40 trades, okay, per week. This is a bit too much for some traders, but as I'm explaining to you, I haven't finished yet. Keep watching. I will explain to you how you can go, okay, and start, okay, using this trading plan. Okay, so come Mondays, okay, we want to take 8 trades. That's our goal. Sometimes you may not take 8 trades depending on the day. Okay, so So you may end up instead taking 4 trades. Okay, some trade time you may take, okay, more than 8 trades. If you have more opportunity, if you scan for more stock, if you have recognized, okay, excellent trading opportunity, because you have to understand that your priority is, okay, to protect your trading capital and also to make money. The purpose of this plan is not the number of the trade that you are taking and the number of pips that you are taking. Is first to protect your trading capital, ladies and gentlemen, protect your trading capital, and then, okay, slowly but gradually recognizing the high probability trade, the excellent risk reward ratio trade, okay, and you want to take them. If you see 8 trades per day, that's gorgeous, you want to take it, okay. Sometime in a trade, you make each trade we want to take, okay, the minimum that we want to take is 30 pips per trade. So this Monday you take your 8 trade, Tuesday you take your 8 trade, Wednesday you take your 8 trades, okay, and okay, Thursday you take your 8 trade, and Friday you take your 8 trade. This is the aim, the goal, okay. You are aspiring to achieve that goal, but you do not have to. If, for instance, comes Monday, you only have 4 trades, do not fight it, do not get angry about it. Okay, at least have you lost money? Have you lost money? Okay, you don't want to lose money. Okay, so if you end up with 4 trades, that's fine. Okay, even 2 trades, that's okay. Even 3 trades, that's okay. The important thing, it has to be a winning trade. Suppose you only take 3 trades and you end up with 90 pips per day. So 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips. That's okay. Excellent. You haven't lost. Okay. So Tuesday, okay, you end up making your 8 trade, but you know that your target per day is 8 trade. You don't want to over trade. Very important. If 8 trade per day is too much for you, okay, that's fine. That's why I show you the first picture. You want to divide it in 2 sessions: the London session 4 trade, okay, and the New York session 4 trade. Some traders who are trading the Asia session, which I do not recommend for those who are trading currency. I do not recommend Asia session for those who are trading currency, but it's up to you, okay, what you do. Some traders may take 4 trades during the London session, 4 trades during the New York session. Those who are trading the Asia session, maybe they have to trade the New York session 4 trade and the Asia session 4 trade, but I do not recommend, okay, the Asia session for this, okay, trading plan if you are trading a currency, okay. Alright, so this is about the TP 1200. The aim is to take, okay, 30 pips on each trade. So 30 pips, okay, times 8, that's 240 pips, okay. So each day you want to take 240 pips from the market, 240 pips, okay, per day, okay. And at the end of the week you want to take, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you want to take at the end of the week altogether 40 trades. Each day you want to take, okay, 240 pips, okay. 240 pips times 5, that's 1,200 pips per week, okay. So you want to break it down, 8 trades per day. Each trade you are aiming for minimum 30 pips. Each day your goal is 240 pips. If you end up with 1,100, if you end up with 120 pips, that's great. The most important thing for you, you do not want to lose, but you want to add to your trading account daily, okay. Having a plan, having a strategy, okay, and I will explain to you which financial instruments are more suitable for this trading plan, okay. When should you come into the market? What do you look for? Which trading tool you must use, okay, and okay, how you can develop slowly but gradually the mindset of professional traders, okay. Without a plan, without a goal, you cannot achieve anything in this messy market. So 240 pips Monday, 240 pips on Tuesday, 240 pips on Wednesday, 240 pips on Thursday, 240 pips, okay, on Friday. That's all together, okay, 1,200 pips per week. But some days you may end up, maybe for instance those who are experienced may end up on Monday maybe 300 pips, Tuesday maybe 120, and Wednesday maybe you end up with 400 pips, depending on how you trade, what you are trading, okay, which financial instrument that you are using, okay. Are you trading CFD? Are you trading spread betting? Are you trading commodity? It depends on what you are trading and what sort of trader you are, your experience level. Are you a new trader? But the most important thing for this strategy is building a winning habit. Having a solid plan. So you see now, 8 trade per day. 40 trade per week. 30 pip per trade minimum we are aiming for. Priority to protecting our trading capital. Recognizing high probability trade and paying attention to the risk reward ratio, because the purpose of this exercise is that you do not want to take every trade, but you are looking for the best trade, and once you see one of the best trade, you want to take it, and you want at least 30 pips. Once you are in a trade and you have already achieved 30 pips, you must secure that 30 pips, because in each trade what you are looking for is 30 pips. If you reach that level, you must protect it. You don't want to give it back, you want to take it. You must take it, you don't give it back. Alright, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. So though the plan looks very simple, and you may say to me, George, thank you very much, I'm very excited about it, I understand it now, I'm just going to do it now, but there are more to it, because it's very, very difficult trading, a challenge. I have here, I'll break it down for you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll break it down here for you, and you have here a ladder. 4 ladders. 4 steps. There's a 4 steps ladder here. So in the first week, so when you are about to start this strategy, this is the difficult part of this TP 1200 trading system. So for instance, somebody who is using the TSFS 222 trading system, so you decided to use the TSFS 222 to play with this trading plan, the TP 1200. So now you come on your 30-minute chart Monday. You have the setup. Now you switch from the 30-minute chart from a hot spot trading zone. You switch to the 2-minute chart, waiting for your clear-cut signal. You are adopting the mindset of professional traders. You have checked the news, you know the mood of the market for that week, and you just want to be very, very patient. You don't want to be all over the places like a child, overexcited, but you want to be a bit focused. You want to do things differently, because so far it has not been working, and now you want something that you can, just something that is simple, something that you want to work with, so now you give yourself a new start, so now you come here, so you are waiting for your signal using the TSFS 222, a free trading system. So now you are here, you come into the trend and you switch your 2-minute chart, and the signal is given to you, boom. Like suppose you were here, this is one signal, beautiful signal, but it's given by the TSFS 222, roll it down big time for the pound dollar, here. So you were here and you get into the trend, boom, 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 it's going down, big time, So once you achieve your 30 pips somewhere here, you want to secure it, so you move your stop loss very close, so suppose quick, the price move 40 pips, so you move your stop loss to protect that 30 pips straight away, because you know that that's all you are looking for in fact. But the trade happened to be very generous, but you secure that your 30 pips straight away. The price roll it down and give you, instead of 30 pips, it give you 60 pips. That's very gorgeous. So in fact, what has happened, ladies and gentlemen, though you were only aiming for 30 pips, you get 60 pips. The next trade comes, which is now you are here for your second trade per day. That's somewhere, maybe it was not a successful trade, but maybe you give back maybe 15 pips or 20 pips. So at the end, you get 40 pips, for 2 trades. One is a losing trade, one is a winning trade. The third trade maybe is a winning trade. You see the scenario now. But the point I want to make, you don't want to take every trade, every trade. You want the best trade, at a hot spot trading zone, paying attention to your target, 30 pips, and once the 30 pips is reached, you want to secure it, But there is more to this trading plan, Suppose our target, so how do we start this plan, How do we start it? Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention, very, very careful, Our goal is to achieve 1,200 people per week. It's a very difficult challenge. Okay, so how do we get there? Okay, how do we get to 1,200 people? Now, you will not, okay, achieve 1,200 people per week straight away. So how do we start? We want to give ourselves a winning start. Okay, every time you set a plan, every time you set a goal, you want to give yourself a winning start, because this is a psychological game. Suppose you come Monday, your first trade is a losing trade, the second trade is a losing trade. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this will affect you. But suppose you come on Monday morning, your first trade is a winning trade, the second trade is a winning trade. Your psychology is very high. You are excited. Okay, you are happy. But if you do not control your excitement, talking about the area weight theory, when life gives something, life takes something back. Life can take back up to 60%. So that's why some traders sometimes will give back. We do give back, but we don't want to give everything back. Okay, so we want to protect what we have earned. Okay, in this crazy, messy market. Okay, so we don't get too excited because the beginning is gorgeous. So we want to protect our 30 pips each time. Okay, but because we know that, okay, 1,200 pips is a bit too much. Okay, so we say, how do we start this plan? We'll start. We give ourselves the first target we're going to give ourselves when we're going to start this plan is 300 pips per week. So though you know that you want to harvest 1,200 pips, you don't want to start giving yourself that huge target straight away. You want to give yourself for the first week, okay? You want to start this plan, you want to give, instead of 1,200 pips target, you want to give yourself 300 pips. That's easy. So first week, you want to give yourself, you say, okay, I want to use this TP12200, but I will give myself, instead of 1,200 pips, I will give myself 300 pip target for the whole week. Alright, so you are here. Alright, so end of the week, okay, you have taken your 40 trade and you have achieved your 300 pips. That's good. Okay, the following week, okay, because you want to give yourself a winning start, the following week, you do not set for yourself the target for 1,200 pips. You will set your new target for 600 pips because you have achieved your first goal, which is 300 pips per week, taking 40 trades, 8 trades per day. Okay, 40 trades per week. But in that case, in each trade you have to divide it, because it's no more 30 pips per trade, because your target has changed. Your target is 300 pips for the whole week, so you have to divide that 300 pips, okay, by 40, because you are taking 40 trades per week. So you divide 300 pips divided by 40. So for each trade, that will be your target for each trade. So end of the first week, you have achieved 300 pips. So you say, great. Alright. The following week, because you want to build a habit and reach the level where you can achieve consistently 1,200 pips per week. Second week, you set for yourself the target for 600 pips. Okay, because the first week you set the target for 300 pips, you have achieved that. Second week you set a target now for 600 pips. Okay, so you will take during that week 40 trades. Okay, so you will divide 600 pips divided by 40. That will be the target for each trade, because you want to take 40 trades per week, 8 trades per day. Okay, you will divide 600 pips, which is your target for the week, divided by 40. Okay, so you have the target for each trade. So the second week you have achieved again your target for 600 pips. So you are building a winning habit. Next week you will not set the target straight away to 1,200 pips because you get excited. You say, yes, I can do the 1,200 pips per week. But you don't want to go that way. You want to go step by step. That's how life functions, step by step. No rush. You see very often in the market, when a price goes vertical, it usually retraces back completely, because it doesn't work in this physical universe. Fast, doesn't work in this universe. Step by step, step by step is the key for achieving success in this life. Step by step, take it from me, doesn't work. That's why when a price moves vertical, we know that there's a high probability that it will give all of it back. Sometimes it may not, but usually, okay, 80% of the time the price will retrace back. So we don't, as a human being, that's a human being pattern. We don't want to go 1,200 pips and you achieve it. Suppose you set the first week your target for 1,200 pips, okay, and you achieve it. The following week, probably you give everything back, and you are completely down, and you want to give up. But you don't want to do that. That's why it's very important to give yourself for the first week 300 pips, second week 600 pips, okay. Now the third week, so we have achieved 600 pips, okay. Our first one was 300, we were successful, so we are giving us a winning. Great. Second week 600 pips achieved, excellent. Third week, okay, we set our target not for 1,200 pips, but now 900 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, 900 pips. So 300 pips, 600 pips, 900 pips. You will divide the 900 pips by 40, which will give you the target for each trade, 8 trades per day, okay, 40 trades per week. You do not have to take 8 trades per day. You do not have to take, okay, 40 trades per week. You are the decision maker. Your risk tolerance, your trading style will affect your decision. Do not use a plan, okay, like a robot. So 900 divided by, okay, 40. Do not force the target on each trade. Suppose you are in a trade, okay, and you know that this trade is not going to reach your target. Take what you got and go away. The most important thing is not to lose. Okay? So 900 people divided by 40, we give us a target for each trade. We set our target 8 trades per day. We have the plan, the TP1200. So we, at the end of the week, Friday, again, we have achieved 900 pips. So we will clap for ourselves, rejoice, maybe bring our children for a nice dinner and celebrate our victory, because, okay, our trading is improving. We have achieved 300 pips 1 week. Second, we achieved 600 pips. Here, this week, again, 900 pips. We are building our trading account. Our brokers start respecting us, okay, and okay, we are feeling more confident. So now we have achieved our 900 pips. The 4th weeks, we will set our target to 1,200 pips, which is our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal is to achieve 1,200 pips per week, but we didn't start straight away giving ourselves the highest target. We give ourselves the lowest target. So our mind will build a winning pattern, prototype in our mind that will use, okay, each time. So we are giving ourselves a winning habit, because all this year we have been losing like a crazy trader, no stop, down. Now we want to consolidate, okay, and then boom, break out and display a 5-way to the upside, okay, so to speak, okay. So now we are here. We set our target now for 1,200 pips. Okay, we will divide the 1,200 pips by 40. That will give us 30 pips per each trade, 8 trades per day, and we will, okay, go and be very, very careful, because this is now a tough competition, a serious challenge, not for children, okay, not for a week. It will take time. It will take somebody even up to 2 years to reach this level, okay. It will take you up to 2 years. Those who are disciplined, those who are, okay, those who can focus, those who can stay away from volatility, those who can, okay, stay away from a high risk, okay, those who are very selective, okay, those who are very calm and patient may reach this target, okay, but it's not easy. But if you are, at least, ladies and gentlemen, if you can achieve 300 pips per week, that's not bad. Each week you do not have a losing week, but you have 300 pips. It's better than being greedy at targeting 1,200 pips and lose. The purpose is to build, okay, a winning habit, okay. So here, suppose you set a target for 1,200 pips and, okay, everything worked out well, very well. There were no messy, crazy news. The market were very nice, and you have a beautiful week and 1,200 pips. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of that week, okay, you will bank your money into your bank account. Alright, you will bank it. Alright, because you were using the 5% of your trading account, and you have added to your account, okay, 1,200 pips. You will bank your profit. take it from your trading account, direct it into your bank. Okay, very, very important. Don't use it anyhow, because you want to start building a habit, because in the past you were taking money consistently from your saving account, your bank account, your children account, which you shouldn't do. Now you have earned something. You want to build the reverse habit, taking money from your trading account into your saving account, into your children account, into your bank account. Alright? It makes sense. But you will say to me, George, it looks gorgeous. What will happen if I achieved 300 pips the first week, and the second week I failed to reach my target of 600 pips? That's a very good question. If the first week you have achieved 300 pips, the following week your target is 600 pips, and you fail to achieve the 600 pips in the second week, you will go back to your first target, which is 300 pips. So 300 pips here, your target was 600 pips. You failed to achieve 600 pips here. The following week your target will not be 900 pips. Your target will be 300 pips. So each time you fail, you go back to the end of the queue. So here you achieve 300 pips, 600 pips here. Here you fail to achieve 900 pips. You will go back again the following week, because you have failed to achieve 900 pips. You go back again and set your target to 300 pips. You see now? It's not easy. Here you achieve 300 pips, 600 pips here, 900 pips. You reach this level, you set your target for 1,200 pips. Now you fail to achieve 1,200 pips here. The following week your target is not 900 pips, it's not 600 pips. Your target from here, you have gained back here 300 pips. Back again here, you start again, giving yourself the easiest target. Each time that you fail, you will give yourself the easiest target. So you see now, so from here you couldn't, maybe you achieve 1,100 pips. That's not a target. You didn't achieve 1,200 pips. This is about the TP 1200. The following week you will set this target to 300 pips. Alright? So again you start another week, 300 pips. That's your target. Don't be too proud of yourself that I have achieved 900 pips. I'm going to set it now for 600 pips. It is not the goal. You don't say that because I achieved 1,200 pips before, I'm not going to set my target for 300 pips. Just go back again and set it for 300 pips. You set your target for 300 pips. Does not mean that you will only make 300 pips. You may make even 1,200 pips here, but your target was 300 pips. And by the end of the week, if you achieve 1,200 pips, that's great. But it doesn't mean that you're already here. The following week, you set your target again for 600 pips. If you achieve the 600 pips, then you can move your target to the 900 pips the following week. If you fail here, you will go back again, not to 600, again to 300 pips. Always, whenever the target was not reached, the following week target is 300 pips. Alright? It makes sense. Alright? You see now, it's not easy. This, TP12, 00. Alright? In the next part of the video, we will talk about, which trading tool one can use to achieve, to accomplish this plan, which financial instruments are more suitable, and also what is the best time, the best period, the best season where one can use this plan. So speak to you in the next part of this video. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Now we will talk about the financial instruments that are suitable for the TP1200. And also the tools that we can use to accomplish the TP1200, and also pay attention to the best trading period. Alright. Now the most important one should understand, we want to trade, we want to trade a financial instrument that we understand perfectly. So you can select, for instance, the Euro USD if you are trading currency, or trade only the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, for instance, or maybe you are trading only silver, or you are trading only crude oil. So the most important thing is to understand the financial instrument that you are trading. Now, you want a financial instrument that can move, okay? So you can reach at least your 30 pips, okay, per trade. If that's too much for you, you may decide to look for a financial instrument that can move at least 20 pips. So you reduce your target to 15 pips, okay? So, but we know that our target, when we are starting this plan, we will start with 300 pips before we set it to 600. Okay, so 300 pips for the first week, that's our challenge. Second week, our target 600, 900, 1,000, okay, 200 pips. So we do not start with 1,200 pips straight away, okay? But as I explained to you, we want to know which financial instrument. We want financial instrument that can move, okay? You don't want a financial instrument that is too volatile. You want stock that are listed on the Dow 30, Nasdaq 100, okay, FTSE 100, the major indices. This plan is suitable for crude oil, okay, gold, okay, those who are trading, okay, commodity, crude oil, gold, the Euro USD, the USD yen, okay, the Euro Australian dollar, okay, the major currencies, okay. This is very suitable. It's also suitable for the major indices, okay. If you are trading the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, okay, the FTSE 100, okay, or the Nikkei 225, okay, all the major indices. This plan is suitable for those financial instruments, okay. For those who are trading stocks, okay, some stock, okay, they will stay in one place the whole day. So it's up to you. So test it. If it's not going anywhere, look for another financial instrument. You may decide to take one financial instrument, okay. For instance, the pound dollar is also suitable for the pound dollar, excellent currency pair. For those who are trading currency, you want to test this plan, okay, and you want to understand the financial instrument that you are using. Very important, okay. And also it's very suitable for ETF, okay, those who are trading the ETF, okay. So you want to know what you are trading. You take one financial instrument. The best way is to start with one financial instrument, okay. For instance, you are trading Euro USD. You will test this strategy because the Euro will move. For those who are trading currency, the Euro is the leading indicator, and then you will test on it, okay, for probably for 3 months, 6 months, and try to understand the plan, okay. So the financial instrument that you are trading is very, very, okay, important, okay. And also the tool that you are using, okay. I will tell you now, with the TSFS 222, one can use the trading system, the free trading system that you can download from our website, the TSFS 222, okay, to test this trading plan, okay. Very important to test it, okay. But what you are trying to do is to build a winning habit. It's not about chasing pips or to impress anybody else. It's to impress yourself and to build a winning habit, okay. You can also use the TSDW24, the TSDWSY-S08, and the TSDWSY-S008, the Swing 240 trading system, or the valid trading system, okay. Trading system that you have tested yourself, that you are happy with, because some traders sometimes they contact me and they use some trading system, they will talk to me about it. If you are using the CC indicator that you understand perfectly and you build your own trading system, you can use your trading system and apply it with this trading plan, because you must have a plan and also have a valid trading tool. The plan is different from the trading tool, but excellent plan is also important when one is using, okay, a valid trading tool. Sometimes traders are trading, they know how to trade, they have a valid trading tool, but they do not have a plan. Without the plan, you cannot move forward in the market. You must have a plan. And the TP1200 is excellent trading plan that anybody, okay, can, okay, learn to apply, okay. All right. So, but the TSFS 222, okay, another trading tool that I can tell you right now, which we have talked about before on our channel YouTube, the MACD, okay, double top MACD cross, okay, double bottom MACD cross. These are high probability trade, because why it works? It works because the price gives the signal first, telling that the price displaying higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Suddenly the price fails to display a new, okay, higher high. So for instance, we have either the first lower high or a double top. It's telling us that the bullish momentum is getting weak. It's a stable data in the market. The price did not hike. Now, MACD, a lagging indicator, not a leading indicator, is confirming the signal that the price is giving. It's excellent. Those signals are direct signal because the price gives the signal first before one indicator, okay, confirm the signal given by the price itself. That's what we call a direct signal. An indirect signal is a signal that an indicator gives the signal. So for instance, MACD give the signal before the price confirm the signal. This is the trouble. Sometimes I'll give you another example of indirect signal. For instance, your CCI that you are using is overbought, so you are itching, so to speak, to sell desperately. Do not do it in the third wave because you will lose. Okay, do not do that in the third wave because that's wave. So you are itching to sell. Now the price give you a double top, a trailer is broken. You see now? So the signal was given first by indicator, giving you the warning. As I explained to you, the indicator will give the warning. So now the price confirm the warning, and the signal is given when the trend line is broken, and you enter the trend. Broken, retest, turn around. Okay? This is indirect signal. Okay? So double top, double bottom, MACD course is excellent, simple for anybody. Okay, the standard MACD 12, 26, 9. Okay, you can try all sorts of trading system because we sell trading system, but trader can build their own trading system if they understand the price of the number one indicator. If you cannot afford any trading system, you can go and download the TSFS 222. As always, any trading system that you are using, whether you build it or you purchase it, or you get it for free on the internet, you must test it. Another thing that you need to understand, this is the trouble on the internet, there are plenty of trading systems on the internet, but they are not perfectly built. Which time frame can you use it on? Can you use it on every time frame? Which financial instruments are more suitable? Okay, so do your homework, your due diligence, okay, so that you don't go round, okay, without any progress. Okay, so this is about the trading tools, valid trading tool, using the price of the number one indicator, the trading triangle, the top-down trading system. Okay, which means the combining the higher time frame. Do not use a single time frame. You must always have 3 times frame when you are about to make a decision. Okay, at least, or you must have at least 2 time frame and a market stable data. Very important. Without the market stable data, you cannot succeed in this market because you can distort the GDP data, you can distort the unemployment data, you can distort all the fundamental data, but the price, if the price is distorted, the price will not hide it. That's why we must keep our eyes on the price itself, the number one indicator. So attention on the financial instrument that you are trading, the trading tool, very important. The third point that I would say to you here is the time that you are trading. This is more suitable for day traders. So the time of the day, wait for the opening bell, trade the first 2 hours, always. That's very important for day trading. London is open the first 2 to 3 hours, excellent. Pay attention to the gap period. There's a video on our YouTube channel. The gap period is not the best time. That's why when I was drawing this ladder here, you can see that the ladder are getting a bit tricky on the top here. They are coming to the end of New York. It's a bit tricky period to trade. Is no more interesting. Okay, so you need to trade carefully coming to the end of the New York session. Beginning, you see gorgeous, and then it's getting a bit tricky here. London session, you see, is wide, and it's getting a bit smaller, but not too bad. The first 2 hours when the market open, high probability trend. And also the cycle of the market. Is the market, talking about the trading time, is the market at a resistance level? Is the market consolidation? The market pattern? This is about the time, the season, the best period when you can use the trading plan. Is the market in a downtrend? Is the market in an uptrend? Is the market starting a new cycle? Is the market consolidating? Pay attention, the market does not always move. Some days you may not achieve your 30 pips. So you're probably going round like this because a very important news is about to be released. You know that you're not going to get your 30 pips. So probably you'll be happy with 15 pips or 10 pips. So you're going to build it slowly. So it's not going to be one trade that will give you 30 pips because the market is not going anywhere for hours. You see now? Yeah, sometimes it's in one place here, you see? Yeah, it was here from 12 o'clock, Eastern time out to the end of the market. This pound dollar, blah 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 blah. But here you see it move fast, so you have to pay attention. Is it here? You will, if you draw your line, you will see here there's a kind of consolidation taking place in this session. Okay, so you're going to give yourself, okay, a reasonable target. Though we have the plan in place, we must also pay attention to the price, not to force the plan on the market. Okay, so I hope, okay, you have understood, okay, this TP1200. Okay, in the next part of the video, we will talk about the Euro USD very fast, the USD CAD, the Euro Australian dollar, the USD yen, and the S&P 500. See you in the next session. Thank you. Okay, traders, this is the Euro USD currency pair. Okay, my favorite currency pair. Okay, the psychological price level, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go very fast. Forgive me for that because I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, so the psychological price level for the Euro USD is 132.00. Above the 132.00, we will give priority to bullish signal. Below the 132.00, we will give priority to sell signal. As you can see, this is the 4-hour chart of the Euro USD. The price was first, still have some line here. You can see, okay, price went up. Okay, now it went down. Okay, and was consolidating here. Now we are retesting this the psychological price level, which we retested on this Friday. Okay, on the dot here, 132. The price went above the 132, only to close back below the psychological price level. Can you believe it? Price went above the psychological price level. Price was rejected above the psychological price level and went back below the psychological price level. There was a beautiful pattern here that I will highlight for trader very fast. On Friday, I did the tweet very fast about that. Okay, we see, okay, on the hourly chart, okay, ABCD chart pattern. If you do not know what is the ABCD chart pattern, you will go to www.stochastic-market.com and click on the ABCD chart pattern. This pattern was here before London did open on okay, Friday. Okay, and we see this ABCD pattern. It was a messy one, as I explained to trader, that the price will move first and then we'll do blah blah blah. What we want to locate to set our target, we can use the media line. So go and watch the video at www.stochastic-market.com. Okay, so it was here, and okay, it was ABCD, a pattern on the hourly chart. The price, in fact, was at a resistance level at a point D. We want to know whether the price will be rejected. Okay, we see even on this hourly chart, can you see a double top? Okay, a double top here, a top, okay, and another top at a hot spot zone on the edge of okay, a psychological price level. Price, talking about the language of the price dipped below the psychological price level. Now price went back to retest the psychological price level, displaying an ABCD at point D is a hot spot on the zone at a critical price level zone. Okay, now we have a bearish okay, pattern. It's going to go down and it's going down, and we will pay attention to the support level. Now the price at the support level is a kind of consolidation zone. Okay, Monday now you have to be very careful here because there is a support in the zone of I will call it okay, in this zone of I'll call it 13050. Call it 13050. There's a support there. Watch it. But our long-term target for the euro is 1200, which is a bearish target. As you see, there's a lot of blah 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 on Thursday. Okay, just a small news that okay, the unemployment in the United States, okay, was okay, increasing, which is a negative news, which is not a welcoming news, but the market went up. Can you believe it? Crazy market. Okay, a bad news, but market went up because the idea is that people want the unemployment to be going up, people losing their job, people being unemployed. So the Fed continue to put more money in the market, but the Fed is not going to do it. The Fed is not going to print money in 2012. Okay, it's not going to print any money in 2012. Okay, so the market get crazy on Thursday, and Friday they return everything back. Alright, so I mean, also talking about China, the economy in China will contract, as I explained to you. The investment will come out of China, out of Australia, out of Canada, back to United States. Though condition looks bright in those areas, I'm not saying that the economy will collapse. The investment will return to United States. As this is taking place, we are expecting all the major indices, including the Euro USD, to pull back down, including crude oil, because the politicians do not want crude oil to go up. Inflation will destroy the recovery in the United States. We want crude oil to go down big time, commodity to go down big time. That's the long-term view. But that remains to be seen. This is about going to the mind of the politicians, the mind of other traders, okay, in order to make a better decision. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can go and watch the previous video. We were talking about the Euro USD, the same scenario, okay, on the weekly chart, the blah blah blah. Okay, this is the psychological price level. You see the white trend like this one, this trend like here. Okay, the price went to touch it. Okay, you see. So we are now here. This week we were here. So it's a bit of blah blah blah. We are expecting the euro to come into the zone of 1200. So it's messy right now. The market is begging to go down, but there are some eternal bulls that think that the market should always go up. As I explained to you, keep your eyes on the price and follow the price sell. If it's going up, buy it. If it's going down, sell it. But we want the euro to go to 1200. That remains to be seen. Next candidate, ladies and gentlemen, we don't want the video to be too long. We will bring on very fast the euro Australian dollar. This currency pair is very, very bullish, as I explained to you 2 weeks ago. But as you can see, I told you that we are expecting it to roll it down to give us a healthy pullback. Okay, that you can see week before it went down. This week also is going down. So though I told you this is a tricky trade, it worked out perfectly. So keep your eyes on it. Go and watch the previous video when I was talking to you about okay, the euro Australian dollar. Everything that I've said is still valid. Okay, so the level that I have mentioned to you, pay attention to the support level. You want to buy at a valid support level. I don't want to be too long about this currency pair. Okay, so it's very bullish, but we are expecting it to roll it back down a bit before turning around. Okay, so it has done a bit so far. We will see next week whether the bullish momentum will resume or not. Okay, if we will expect it to resume next week, we will see. So as I draw it here, we say as I draw my lines are still here. The line that I've drawn come down first and then turn around, okay, and then come back again down to retest the yellow one before going up. Go and watch the previous video. Okay, all right. So my apology for that, because I want to go very fast. Next candidate, I'm looking for, okay, the USD yen, the USD yen currency pair. Where are you? Okay, I'm looking for it because everybody, there is a lot of pressure on the Japanese government, okay, to intervene in the market. I mean, to purchase assets, which mean quantitative easing, which mean the Japanese, I mean, there is a pressure on the Japanese government to devalue a little bit, okay, the yen, which will be good for the USD yen, okay. So as I explained to you, this is very bullish, and the previous week I told you that we are expecting a healthy pullback. Also, we have drawn okay, a channel on the 4-hour chart, and we were expecting it to roll it. Now you see the channel that I draw before, blah blah blah, to hit it on the edge. Okay, that's what it was doing. You see, it went a bit out. You see, touch it. Okay, now it touched it again last week, and then we roll it down. Now we see blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the channel on the 4-hour chart. So do not forget, okay, this channel, okay, on the 4-hour chart. To be bullish, you want it to come out of the bearish channel. You see here, come out and retest again and run away. But we will see, because this currency pair is very bullish. We were expecting a pullback. That pullback has taken place. You see here, and the key level that I will not forget now is the level of 8047. I have tweeted about this. You see this tall candle. You remember it? This blue line. Okay. 8047, don't forget it. 8047. This is the psychological price level for the USD yen. The psychological price level for the USD yen is 8047. Write it on your fridge, write it on your bed, write it on your computer. Very, very important. If the price found a support, which it did last week, I'll show you. Let's zoom into it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Let's see on the 30-minute chart. Okay. Last week, okay, you see the blue line, you see here. I hope you can see on the screen, because sometimes it doesn't show on the YouTube video, but on my screen I can see it here. I'm recording this session, but sometimes it doesn't show in the video. I don't know why. So here you can see, okay, it came near, okay, I hope you can see the blue line on your chart also. 8047 near it, it didn't touch it, only to find the support here. So we are still above the 8047. As long we remain okay above the psychological price level 8047, we will give priority to bullish signal. But do not forget that we are in a bearish channel on a 4-hour chart, so we wanted to roll it near the support level and take it to, when we are approaching the upper side of the bearish channel, we want to take at least some profit. If it kick out bullishly, retest it, we want to take it, okay? But if you buy it near the psychological level 8047, hide okay your stop loss behind the psychological price level, okay, maybe 30 pip below it, okay. That will be not too much risk, okay. So this is about the USD yen bullish, but the pullback I think is now done. We will see next week whether the bullish momentum will resume. I don't want to be too long, sorry about that. I will not say too much about this so far. Now I'm looking for the USD card. USD card, where are you? Okay, now this is the same thing. Generally speaking, the economy in Canada is gorgeous, bullish, okay, but they have done their bit so far. We are expecting a kind of contraction as the investment is coming out of Canada and returning back to the US. But those who are eternal bulls think that the dollar should go down forever, okay, and they should continue to buy, okay, the Canadian dollar. I'm not into that mood. The psychological price level for the USD card is 9929. We know it. This week was gorgeous. It went up big time, but you will see. You see, just Thursday there was just one little bad news about the US, because in fact people want the US economy to continue to go down. You see, these people, they are evil. All right, no one is evil. Forgive me for that, but now it's just speaking a bit too loud, okay? All right, but the price was going up bullishly the whole week, okay? Gosh, you know, even went to 10050, and about now there was a formation here, a double top, in fact a top and a lower top, bearish momentum, and they were so happy to sell. But now, as soon as the price came near the psychological price level, which is the red one here, 9929, it found a support, and now it's again up somewhere. The yellow line, the yellow trend line, which I show you, watch the previous video, everything is there. And as long we remain above it and above the psychological price level, if they push it down, we will push it up, okay. Priority to bullish signal, okay. Talking about the S&P 500, I don't want to be too long. Everything that I have said before still in place, okay, because I don't want the video to be too long. Forgive me for that, ladies and gentlemen. It's the same blah blah blah. You see, this is on the hourly chart, a top. All this line I've done before. He tried to went above it. Now we are now down, okay. So you can go and watch the previous video. It's the same blah 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 blah. The trend line now on the hourly chart, the pink trend line you see here, it was on the daily chart. I draw it, okay. So you can refer to those okay, the video that I posted before. So you see now we are below the pink, okay, the trend line, okay, is buried, but there's another blue line here, okay. So watch it carefully, okay. Everything that I've said before is still in place, so all right. So I'm not going to say more than that for the S&P, okay, 500. So you can watch the previous video, okay. It's said at a hotspot trading zone. I hope you enjoyed this video, okay, about okay, the TP 1200.